Hey guys, welcome you all in a new video, and today in this video I am going to unlock a Android phone of any brand like Samsung, Vivo, Realme, and every type of Android smartphone you can unlock with the help of this method. And this method is known as offline unlocking method. For this method you will have to eject your SIM card from your smartphone, or you may also use your smartphone's airplane mode option to close all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network. And if you're watching this video, then I am sure your phone has been locked due to forgotten PIN pattern and password lock. So don't worry at all. At the end of this video, if you're watching this video very carefully and if you will follow the every step very carefully, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely at the end of this video. So watch this video till the end very carefully and follow the every step. So let's start this method. Before starting this method, your smartphone should be charged at least 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this, charge your phone at least 30%, or you may use your smartphone charger at the time of using this unlocking method. So let's start this method. As I told you, firstly you will have to switch your phone on airplane mode, and for this simply you will have to slide your phone downside. You will get an option of airplane mode option. Simply you will have to click on this. Now you can see here your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network has been switched off. After this, simply you will have to go with slide up like this. Now you can see here this phone is locked due to forgotten password lock. You will get an option of emergency call option. Simply you will have to click on this to open your phone's dialing pad. Now you can see your phone's dialing pad has been opened. Now I am going to give you a special secret code by which you can close your phone's all the background running application, because it's most important to close the background running application to go with this method. Okay, and this secret code is star . Now this is the special secret code. After feeding the secret code in your dialing pad, you will have to call on the secret code. At the first time when you will call, it will show you a OK method, OK message. Simply you will have to go with the OK. Again at the second time you will get this option, click here, and third time, I mean to say, you will have to call on the secret code 3 times. After this, your phone's all the background running application will be closed now. Now after this, simply you will have to clear your call log like this. Now I am going to give you a special USSD code which will switch your phones to the master unlocking mode page. Okay, and this USSD code is *899 and hash. Now you can see here, after fitting this number *899 and hash, your phone will be reached to a new page, and the page name is engineers mode page. You will get a lots of options with on this page, and all the options have the specific function, but in this video I will only give you how you can unlock your smartphone with this method. Okay, now after this, simply you will have to go with the option of manual test option, which is showing at the 4th number. You can see here, simply you will have to click on this, and when you will click on this, you can see here your new page will be appear. You will get 3 type of option on this page, but you don't have to go with any one. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side, and you will have to reach to the option of others, which will comes at the end of the slide. Okay, now you can see here others option has been appeared. You can see here. Okay, now simply you will get 5 type of option on this page, but you will have to go with the option of database version, which is showing at the 4th number. Simply you will have to click on this option 8 times rapidly. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Now your second step has been done. The third step is simply you will have to go with the option of read write important lock test, which is showing at the 2nd number. Simply you will have to click on simply you will have to click on this, and when you will click on this, you can see here it is asking to confirm here, but before confirming this, you will have to feed here a special code, and you will have to feed here, and this code is *#999 then star then 58 then hash. After feeding this secret code, you will have to go with the OK button, and when you will go with the OK button, you will get a pop-up of wrong password at the bottom of the phone. It means your phone's all the forgotten PIN pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. Now your phone is ready to go with the last and the very last method, and it's most important. After this, simply you will have to slide your phone left side, and you will have to reach to the option of device debugging option. You can see here. Now you will get an option of sensor self test and calibration option, which is showing at the 6th number. Simply you will have to click on this. Now you will get a 3 type of option or 2 option or 1 option on this page, and all the option will be showing here operation not started. You can see here. Simply you will have to start these operation by clicking on these option, and you will have to continue click on these option until you get a single test passed message in green color. Okay, so I'm going to do this. Now you can see here in both option, a single option is showing here test has been failed, and the second option is showing here test passed. It means a single test passed message has been appeared. Now your phone is completely unlocked. Now you will have to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not. So how will you check? Now you can see here there is a home button which is showing at the bottom of the phone. Simply you will have to click on this home button to check either your phone is unlocked or not. So I'm going to do this. Just a minute. So you can see here this phone is completely unlocked, and the main thing is that all the application which were in my smartphone as it is as in my smartphone. So this trick really works, and if your smartphone could not unlock with the help of this video, then do the like this video, and if your phone could not unlock with the help of this video, then make us comment which type of issues you are facing. To unlock a smartphone, our team will quick response on your issues with the help of WhatsApp video call. Thank you so much.